Welcome back, YouTube. I wanted to do a quick video on what you should do if your car alarm keeps going off randomly and sporadically. And most of the times when your car alarm is just going off randomly, the first thing you're going to want to check is your hood sensor, which is right here. A lot of times these go faulty and they stop functioning properly, and it will trigger your car alarm. Another thing that will happen is this button here will get stuck, which will also trigger your car alarm. So if your car alarm is going off randomly and you don't understand why it's doing that, the first thing you want to check is your hood sensor. The next thing you want to check, if your hood sensor is functioning and everything's fine with your hood sensor, the second thing you want to check is the battery. Okay, we're in the trunk here, and the battery is right behind this compartment here. So if your car alarm is going off randomly, second thing you want to check is your battery. And the reason why, if your battery is going out, there's a low voltage on the battery, it will trigger your car alarm. And I just replaced my battery. And the reason I wanted to do this video is because about a year ago I replaced my hood sensor. My alarm was going off randomly. So I replaced the hood sensor, did the trick. And then a couple weeks ago, my alarm started going off randomly again. I first checked my hood sensor to see if the button was stuck. Tried it for a couple days, the alarm kept going on, and then realized that my battery was going out. So if you have a real low voltage in your battery, it will trigger the alarm. So after you check the hood sensor, check to make sure you have a good battery. So if your car alarm is going off randomly, check the hood sensor. If not, check the battery. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel. Till the next video.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Visit beamermods.com for BMW performance intakes, clothing and accessories. Unleash your BMW engine. Increase horsepower.